Hi there. So in this tutorial we're going to see how we can retrieve the state of a light to use that to toggle it. So the first thing we'll do is create a task and let's call it retrieve demo. Then once we've done that, we'll add a new action, namely the plugin AutoHue Hue State one, and we'll edit it, and from the drop down menu here we'll select the couch because that's the one we want to toggle. Here we see all the variables that we can retrieve, but we're interested in the Hue on inverted because this is the inverted power state of the actual light bulb. So we back out of this, and now we'll add another action, namely the plugin AutoHue Hue 2.0, which we'll actually use to send the command to the light. Again, we'll target the couch, and we want to set the power. So it pre-fills some data in the final JSON, but now we replace the false with the actual variable that we just copied, so Hue on inverted. And that's actually all the setup we need right now. So if we press play, we'll see the light toggling. However, if we want to debug a little bit to see what we're actually sending to the bridge, we can create a flash action, and here print the variable Hue_command. This actually contains the exact command that's being sent to the bridge. And additionally, to see the response from the bridge, to see if everything went okay, we can also print the response variable, which is Hue_response1. So I'm setting this up, and once we've done that, you see that if we play this complete task, it'll print the command being sent to the bridge and the response we retrieve from the bridge. So that looks good. And now if you press play, you see we're sending as a command on and false, which toggles the light. And then if we send it again, we'll actually be sending on and true because the state had changed, so our variable has changed. That's it. I hope you can do some awesome stuff with this. Enjoy!